ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Hello everybody and welcome to episode 7. This is the Boulevardier. Did I say that right? Let's make this drink. This is another 3-ingredient drink, so basically it's the sum of its parts, so make sure you're using good ingredients for this one. We've got sweet vermouth, we've got Campari, and we've got a bourbon. If you're a fan of strong drinks like an old fashioned or a Manhattan, this one's going to be right up your alley. Let's get mixing. So 1 1/4 ounces of your bourbon. Go 1 ounce of Campari. You gotta learn to love it. We're gonna go 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Add ice to your mixing glass. And we're going to stir for 15 to 30 seconds. We're just going to strain this over a nice large rock of ice. Garnish for this one's a nice twist of orange. Make sure you rim your glass to get those nice citrus flavors and aromas. Beautiful. There you go, folks. The Boulevardier. Basically, if you haven't figured it out, Boulevardier is a whiskey version of a Negroni, basically. You're just substituting the whiskey for gin for Negroni. This is delicious though. This has got a bit of a dry finish, bit of sweetness from the sweet vermouth, and obviously the bitterness from the Campari. All right, folks, give this one a try. I'll see you on the next one.